Imagine this, a virtual classroom where learners feel seen, heard, and challenged. That's the heart of the Community of Inquiry, COI framework. Created by Garrison, Anderson, and Archer, COI blends three key elements: social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence, to create an online learning experience that's not just effective, but transformative. Let's start with social presence, where learners stop being just usernames and start becoming real people. When social presence is high, learners are more comfortable sharing ideas and debating. Want to boost it? Try discussion forums, group projects, and multimedia tools like video chats. It's all about humanizing the virtual space. Cognitive presence, the brainpower behind it all now. For the intellectual side of things, cognitive presence. This is where the real learning happens through reflection, inquiry, and dialogue. To elevate cognitive presence, design activities like critical thinking tasks, case studies, or problem-based learning. These help learners connect the dots and apply what they've learned in meaningful ways. And finally, we have teaching presence, the glue that holds everything together. As the instructor, you're not just delivering content, you're guiding the learning process. Clear course design, timely feedback, and active facilitation are key. It's about being there for your learners and keeping them on track. When you bring social, cognitive, and teaching presence together, you create a dynamic learning environment where interaction fuels deeper understanding and critical thinking thrives. It's not just about checking boxes, it's about creating a community of learners who are engaged and growing. But how do you know if COI is working? Easy. Use surveys, feedback, and learning analytics to track engagement and performance. Reflective assessments like journals or essays can also show how learners are interacting within the COI framework. To wrap it all up, the Community of Inquiry model is more than just an academic framework. It's a game changer for online learning. Focus on engaging your learners, fostering deep thinking, and maintaining a strong teaching presence. Trust me, it's the key to building an online learning space where everyone thrives. So, ready to build a learning community that works? Embrace COI and let the magic happen. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.